Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about everyone is you pushed out. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you are currently manifesting your SP, I highly recommend for you to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course. This is a detailed yet simple 14-week course that teaches you exactly how to manifest your SP step by step. Simply click on the first link in the description box down below or go to RitaKaminski.com to enroll. If you would like to book one-on-one coaching with me, you can also go on RitaKaminski.com or click the second link in the description box down below. If you would like to join collective coaching, where you can literally ask me any question about law of assumption and I will talk about it in the next members only video, where you get to see everyone else's questions and specific situations and we all learn from each other, you can click the join button right next to my name, or you can click the link in the description box down below. That will be the third link. If members only is not available in your country, you can join through Patreon. Simply click the fourth link in the description box down below. It will be the exact same program, but just a different platform. Picture this. Every single person you encounter and every single situation you experience is a reflection of your own assumptions, beliefs, and thoughts. Sounds too good to be true, right? But bear with me, because this is the essence of the law of assumption. Everyone is you pushed out suggests that the external world is a mirror, reflecting back to you the contents of your own mind. So if you assume that someone is kind in general, they tend to reflect those qualities back to you. Conversely, if you believe that someone is hostile and untrustworthy, they will exhibit those traits in your interactions. Now, you might be thinking, wait, does that mean that I'm responsible for every single person's life? Am I responsible for every single person's behavior? Not exactly. It's more about focusing on the power of your own perceptions of other people and yourself, and the assumptions that are shaping your reality. No one in your reality is a robot. They're not just fake people walking around, NPCs that have no lives outside of you. Everyone has their own lives, leads their own lives independently of you. The distinction lies in recognizing your inherent control. It's about how others interact with you. You're not altering anyone else. The only person undergoing change is you and what is happening within, what's happening in your mind. You're not manipulating someone to become ambitious, wealthy, into marrying you. Instead, you're internally shifting your perception of yourself, of your worth, and your view of that person. In these scenarios, the only individual that's going under any transformation is you. That is to say, you are already manifesting them, whether you know about it or not. You've been manifesting people since the day you were born, because it's your reality. The only difference is that before you were doing it unconsciously, you were not aware of it, and now you are doing it consciously. You are picking how you would like to view them. In turn, that is how they will reflect in the 3D. For example, instead of assuming something on autopilot like Jared is an F-boy, he only wants to flirt with every other girl, you can consciously choose how Jared shows up in your reality. Jared is committed to me. He is loyal to me. He does not care about any other girl but me. Consider this. You walk into a job interview believing that you are highly qualified and worthy of success. Your confidence influences how the employer perceives you, leading to a positive outcome. But if you enter the same interview with doubts and insecurities, that energy can affect the exact same scenario negatively. It is important to get this through your head. The world mirrors your inner reality. The world mirrors our inner state. Our thoughts shape our reality. What we see around us reflects what's inside us. People's actions reflect our expectations, beliefs, and worthiness. And it's important to note that doubting someone's ability to change can hinder them changing. And it's not about just self-concept. It's not about knowing that you are worthy of being treated like a queen or a king. It's also the belief that we hold about others and situations in general. For example, assuming all guys in their 20s are F-boys will lead to you experiencing that, even though we all know there are guys in their 20s that are happily married. Our past experiences influence how we anticipate others to act, almost scripting their behavior. You literally write it down in your mind, and then the actors in this reality will play that script out. They feel compelled to adhere to the roles that we assign them. Consequently, those around us will feel constrained and compelled to act out. For example, if doubts arise in a relationship, we start seeing the consequences of those doubts playing into reality. Your boyfriend might be mean to you, or say a snarky remark to you, or not reply to you for a couple of hours, which exacerbates and feeds into your confirmation bias. It all begins in your mind. So how do we harness the power of everyone is you pushed out in our daily lives? It all starts from self-awareness and knowing that you are in control. Become aware of your assumptions you hold about yourself and others. Are they empowering or limiting? Are they something that you actually want to see play out in your reality or not? Consciously choose to adopt the assumptions that align with your desires. Jared is obsessed with me. You can do this by affirming, scripting, visualizing, or simply just stepping into the state. We are repeating this until we see this play out into our reality. It's as simple as that. Regardless on experiences or crappy thoughts about how you've been treated in the past or your assumptions now about how you get treated, disregard them and just craft a new belief. So if you believe that everyone is obsessed with you, or if Jared is obsessed with you, they or he will mirror that perception. Make your desired narrative the dominant one. Repeat it, repeat it, repeat it. You have to be unwavering and ignore all of the things that you see in your 3D that go against that. Even amidst the chaos of your physical reality, again, you must stay focused. Tell yourself that no matter what happens externally, my internal world remains unchanged, unfazed. Period. Persist in living in the reality that you have envisioned in your mind, and it will manifest in your outer world. If your mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, cat, dog, reptile, co-worker, acquaintance, service worker, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, friend, best friend, commenter on TikTok, commenter on YouTube, someone you don't know, anyone, any interaction whatsoever that has to do with you and another living being is treating you in a way that you don't like, if their treatment does not align with your preferences, you have to know that that is rooted in your assumption. These assumptions stem from past experiences, your self-perception, and your views on their behavior or group tendencies. For instance, you might assume that all TikTok comments are harsh, or that all cats dislike you. These assumptions might arise from subconscious beliefs that you don't even know you may be holding. But that is okay. We are ignoring that. We are sticking exactly to how we want to be treated. You can go specific, like all cats absolutely love me, or everyone loves me and treats me with respect. Jared is absolutely in love with me. I have found the perfect partner for me. Remember, everyone is you pushed out is not about controlling others or denying their autonomy. It is about recognizing the interconnectedness of the outside world and our inner world. And it's about the knowing that it all starts from our personal inner world. As you navigate your life, keep in mind that the world is your mirror. What you see reflects not only what's around you, but also what's within you. So dare to assume that everything is happening best case scenario, dare to assume the best of the best, and watch your reality transform before your eyes. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.